What are we going to celebrate?
I want to celebrate gift.
We are going to celebrate. Okay, I'm going to ask Arjun. Arjun, what are we going to celebrate today? Raksha Bandhan. Correct, Arjun. Very good. Gautam Rishi, we are going to celebrate Raksha Bandhan. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So first, what we'll do? Our friend Shiva had birthday yesterday. Okay? So we'll sing birthday wishes, belated birthday wishes for Shiva. Happy birthday, Shiva. God bless you. We are all going to sing for Shiva. Ready? Okay, I'll just show you the picture. Then we'll all sing together. Give me a minute.
Your birthday is on May 14. Shiva, happy birthday.
Thank you. Happy birthday, Shiva.
Okay. Okay, ready, children? Okay, please stay on mute. You all said happy birthday. I heard it. Shiva would have also heard it. Now we are all going to sing together. Okay? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shiva. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, dear Shiva. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, all my friends.
You're always welcome, Shiva. God bless you. Though it is belated, we want to wish you today. Okay. Now, getting back to our celebration. So, what is the celebration? Raksha Bandhan. Okay. We'll just wait for a minute so that everybody is joined. And let me check. If not, we'll start the celebration. Okay. Okay. I think who has joined now?
Hi, ma'am. Shiva, happy birthday, Shiva. Oh.
Say again.
Thank you.
Okay. Who's Umar? Is it Mahaswan? Umar Rajamanikam, ma'am? Is it? Hi, Kumara Gurubaran. Good evening, Kumara Gurubaran. Okay. Lakshita, wait for a minute. Lakshita, you want to ask something? We wait. You are showing me something else. Wait. Okay. Hi, Kumara Gurubaran. Hi, Adya.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Kumara Gurubaran. Yeah, Lakshita. What do you want to show me, Lakshita?
Here, I draw with cake.
Very nice.
Cake I draw.
Okay, very nice. Send me the photo in WhatsApp, okay? I'll see that clearly there, okay? Okay, so we are going to start our Raksha Bandhan celebration. Before that, ma'am will tell you what is Raksha Bandhan. Why are we celebrating Raksha Bandhan? Okay? So see this picture, what is this girl doing? See, she had Rakhi in her hand. She is tying it to her brother. She is having sweets in the plate. She is having diya in the plate and she is having kumkum. What she'll do? She'll apply this on the forehead and she's tying the Rakhi. What is this boy doing? He's having a gift hiding at the back. It's a surprise gift. He's giving he'll give after she ties a Rakhi. This boy will give the gift to his sister. Okay. So Raksha Bandhan is celebrated to remind us the bond between brother and sister. Okay. So the brother gets the Rakhi in hand. Sister ties a Rakhi saying that I love you so much, brother. Whenever I need help, you will come and help me. Like that, the brother says, don't worry, when you need help, I will come and help you. And sister is also saying, I love you so much, so I will share all my toys with you. I will help you, and you will also share the toys with me. We will not fight. Okay, that is what they are doing in Raksha Bandhan, saying we brother and sisters will not fight. We'll always be close to each other and happy always. Okay, so if you don't have sister, no problem, you can tie it to your brother. So you brothers also should not fight, you should share all the things with your brothers. Okay, so that is what we are doing, celebrating Raksha Bandhan. So hope you are all ready with your Rakis. Ma'am is also ready. I have got 2 Rakis with me. I made this at home. Look and tell me if it is nice. Okay, thank you so much. So, shall I see all your Rakis?
Don't have Rocky.
No
Ma'am, I
problem.
don't have Rocky.
No problem, Lakshita. That's not problem. Okay, I'm going to see one by one.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So what we are going to do is, you can tie this if you have your sister nearby. Okay, Izan. Wait, Izan. I'll come to each one of you and see. Okay. If you have your sister nearby, your sister. Wait. Everyone, wait. You can tie it. I will tell everybody's name. That time you can tie. Okay. Your sisters can tie it to you. Okay. And girls, if you have brothers nearby, you can tie it to them. If not, you have brothers, or you can tie it to your parents also. No problem. Please don't feel sad or cry for that. Okay. Okay, children, ready? Okay, I'm going to come one by one and see what you are doing. Okay, I'm going to start with Arav Akshat. Okay, what about Arav Akshat? Okay, can you tie it to Arav? Akshat can tie it to. Okay, you're having. Okay. Look at his face and do. Look at his face. Turn, face him. Okay. Okay. So you both have tied Rakhi, so you should not fight anymore. Okay, you should always share everything with each other. Enough. So much on his forehead. Okay. Okay. So you can tie our version. For me?
Daddy did.
Okay. Very nice. Very nice. You can tie each other. Very nice.
It's done by his daddy, ma'am.
Very nice. He told me. Yes, it looks very nice. Okay, you tie for each other. I will go to Lakshita ji and come back. Lakshita, whom are you going to tie? Your mother? Oh, your mother is going to tie you. Okay. Go ahead. So blushing. Yes. Come on. Yeah, tie it. Lakshita ji, tie it. I'll go to Arjun and come back. Yeah, Arjun. Where are you? Arjun, who is going to tie it to you? You're going to tie it to whom?
We are not ready because he doesn't have a sister. Now because of Corona, the neighbor.
No problem. Okay, no problem, ma'am. Okay, Sai Charan, yes. Poovendan, sir or ma'am, can you please? Yeah, Sai Charan. Come on, tie it to your brother, Sai Charan. Call your brother. Children, please get ready with your parents or your brother or sister, whomever you have. Please have them ready so that we can do it this quickly. Yes, come on, Sai Charan. Very good. Look at me, both of you. Look at me, Sai Charan. Look at me with your brother, with your hands. Show his hands. Show his hands. Okay. Done? Okay. Yes, Lisha. Okay. You're going to tie it to whom? You're going to tie it to your mother? Or you want to tie it in your hand? Nice butterfly. You want to tie it in your hand? Okay, your mother is going to tie it to you. Wow, nice, Lisha. Wow, that's pretty butterfly. Very nice. Good, Lisha. Okay, and I'm going to move to Dayanand. Yes, Dayanand, you had the tilak already on your forehead. You tied the Rakhi? Okay, very nice. You made it? Wow, so nice. Whom are you going to tie this? To your uncle? Or your uncle is going to tie it to you?
The glittery one is for Auntie.
Okay.
One is for me.
For you, okay. Get it tied in your hand. Let me see. After tying, show me your hand. Arav, you got that tied? Show me your hand. Show us everybody your hand. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Yes. Nice. Kavin, I'll come to each one of them. Wait, Kavin. I'm going to Dayanand. Once he's done, I'll come back to you, okay? Show me your hand. I'll just take a front screen. Yes, very nice. So colorful. Very nice, Dayanand. Okay, did you say thank you? Okay. Adya. Okay, get them ready. I'll come to you. Okay, Izan, show me your hand, Izan. I saw something was in your hand. Kavin, yes, Kavin, we have come to you. Okay, your sister is going to tie it to you. Let's see. Give me a minute, Adya. I'll come to you. Okay. Both of you look at me. Kavin and Kavin's sister, look at me. Show me the Rakhi. Show me the Rakhi. Nice. Good. Okay. You're giving a chocolate to your sister. Nice. Very nice, Kavin. Nice. Okay. Yes, Adya. I'm back. Okay. Whom are you going to tie this? Okay. You made this?
Yes,
Okay. Very nice. Whom are you going to tie this?
my friend.
Tie it to your friend.
He's my neighbor.
Okay. You will tie it later?
Yes,
Okay. Very nice. Okay. You can tie it to him later. Okay. What's his name?
Sai Krish.
Okay. Sai Krish. Okay. You can tie it to Sai Krish later. Yes, Izan. We are coming to see you. Show me. Izan. Come on, Izan. Then I'll move on to the next person, Izan. Yeah. Yeah, come on, show me your hand. You got your Rocky?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, whom are you going to tie?
My sister.
Your
Okay.
sister or your brother? Oh, 1 second.
Okay, you're going to tie it to your brother? Come on. Okay, your brother is going to tie it to you. Okay, you have a sister too.
Brother.
Oh, okay. I think they have gone. Okay, I'm come to Grithvik. Yeah, Grithvik, come on.
Ma'am.
You have already tied it. Go, show me your hand. Nice, Grithvik. Wait. Okay, very nice. Good. Okay, next I'm moving on to Varnika. Hi, Varnika. Good evening. Just now I happened to see you. Okay, Varnika. Are you well?
Yeah, ma'am. 1 second. Yeah. 1 second. ले लो बंद
Varnika, you have your
ठीक है बंद
Rakhi? Okay. Wow, show us that first. Very nice. Who tied it for you? Who tied it for you? Okay, mummy. Nice. Nice, Rakhi. Okay. Thank you, Varnika. Okay. Okay. Yeah, Izan is back. His brother is
ठीक है
tying
टाई करो
him. With Izan is running. Okay. Yes, next Shiva. Come on, your sister is going to tie it to you, right? We are ready. Ready to see you. You have so many sisters, Shiva.
Cousin sister Jyotika.
Okay.
They made it for themselves.
Oh, they made it themselves. Very nice. So sweet of them. Okay. Nice, Jyotika. Wait, later tie. Okay, give it to her.
Thank you.
Very nice, Shiva. Good. Okay. One more sister is going to tie. Okay. Look at me. What's your sister's name? Jyotika and one more?
Jyotika, Pavitra.
Okay, Pavitra.
Look, ma'am.
Yes. Your sisters have made nice, wonderful Rakis for you and giving the gift. Very nice, Shiva. Good. Okay, next time moving on to Satvik. Satvik. Show me your Rakhi, Satvik. Wow, you got a heart Rakhi. Very nice. Okay, your mother is going to tell you, show your hand. Show your hand to your mother. And look at me. Yeah, nice. Show me your heart, Rakhi. Yes. This side, this side. Yes. Little bit up. Little bit up. Yes. Nice, Satvik. Very nice. Did you say a happy Raksha Bandhan to your mom? Your mom tied it for you, right? Say it to her. Okay. Next, Lakshraj. We have come to see you, Lakshraj. Your Rakis. I think you've got a couple of Rakis in your hand.
4 Rakis.
Wow. So colorful and so beautiful. Can you just lift it up so that everybody can see that? Very nice. Very nice, Lakshraj. Who tied it for you? All those.
Who tied it? Say.
My mummy.
Mummy.
I have 3 sisters. They are beyond.
Hi, Nikita Shri. We have come to see you. Yes, your sister is going to tie. Okay, show your hand. Show your hand to sister. Ah, very nice, very nice. Okay. Nice. Come into the camera frame. I think your sister is out of the frame. Can you? Ah, yes, perfect. Look at me, both of you. Ah, okay. Okay. Show me your hand, Nikita. Come on, show me. Okay, you're tying for her. Okay, tie. Yes, both of you look at me. Very nice. Very nice to see that. Good job. Okay, next time moving on to Kumara Guruparan. Very nice. Kumara Guruparan. Okay, very nice, Kumara Guruparan. Okay, who is going to tie it for you? Who is going to tie it for you? Okay, later. Okay. Ask them to come and tie. Show your hand. Okay, good. Very nice, Kumara Gurban. Okay, good. Okay, I'm moving on to Nivin Surya. Hi, Nivin Surya. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. Okay. Can you tie in your hand and show us who is going? Your sister's baby sister is going to tie for you. Okay, baby sister is going to tie for you. Okay. Tie in your hand. Get help from your mother. Tie it in your hand and show us. Okay. Next year, sister will grow and big and she'll tie it for you. Very nice. Yes, show it to me. Show it to all your friends. Very nice. Okay. Yes, Nivinchara, it's nice. Okay. Next time, moving on to Shravan. Shravan, you got your sister.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi, good evening. What's your name?
My name is Renisha.
Okay, Anisha. Okay. Can you tie it for Shravan? Let's see. Very nice. Both of you look at me. Yeah, nice, Shravan. Very nice. Did you say thank you, dear sister?
Thank you, ma'am.
Not to me, to your sister. Okay. Yeah, Gautam Rishi. You feeling sleepy?
Show that.
Show me. Wow, nice. Smile.
Smile.
Nine.
Yes. Yes.
Smile. Smile.
Okay, thank you. Hi, Lekshita S.
Please.
No problem, Lekshita, if you don't have Rakhi, okay? Show a smiley face.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Hi, Jai Krish. Ready, Jai Krish? Ready? You got so many cousins at your home now. Okay. So ready?
Yes.
Come on. Your sister has come today. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
அங்க கையில தட்டணும் அண்ணனுக்கு நீ கை நீட்டுமா விட்டு
Don't have sweet, Jai Krish?
Yes.
Okay. Nice.
Now you
Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you so much, everybody, for showing us your Rakhi and your celebration. Did I leave anybody? Let me know.
Ma'am.
Yeah, Lakshita, you got your... Okay, just give me a minute. Smile.
Smile. Nalla.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone.
Ma'am.
Who's that, ma'am?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Arjun. You want to say something? You got it. Very nice, Arjun. Very nice. Oh, okay, very nice. Okay, Lakshita ji, I think I missed to take a screenshot. Can you just show me Lakshita ji again one more time? Lakshita, your hand and smiley. Yes, now it's clear. Thank you. Okay, children, everybody give a big enough clap. Hope you all saw your friends. Yes. Yeah, Aravaksha, tell me.
You take
Others, please stay on mute. Yeah,
Brother
Arav.
and sister. This one. Brother and sister. For
Yeah.
this one, ma'am.
Huh?
Brother and sister, did you type this?
I didn't tie. That's what I told you. I'm just having it. See, I'm having it. I'm going to go in the evening and tie it to my brother. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I didn't tie it yet. But I tied one more Rocky to my elder brother. Hi, who is that? Tell me your name.
Hi.
Yes.
Yuvan.
Oh, Yuvansai, you joined in a new name. That's what I didn't know. Hi, Yuvansai. Show me your Raki,
Hi.
Yuvansai. Good evening. Show
Good
me your Raki.
evening.
Yeah, show me your Raki. Your sister tied it for your sister tied it for you. So nice to see both of you. Wow, nice. Good. You're showing it nice. Thank you so much, Yuvansai. Okay. So all done with everybody done? Anybody I didn't see? No, right? Okay, give a big round of clap, children. Very good. Okay. So now we have done with our Raksha Bandhan celebration. I saw many of you had tied. Some of you had made your own Rakhi. Some of you have got it. Some of you have got it tied from your sister, mother. No problem. Okay. So, okay. So, we are going to now sing the rhyme. Hexagon rhyme. Remember? You're going to sing along with me now.
6
Ready?
sides of a hexagon.
Okay.
Yes,
6
teacher.
sides of
Like
please stay on mute.
honeycomb.
6 sides of don't touch each other. 6 sides of a hexagon. Arjun, come on, sing with me. 6 sides of a hexagon, like the cells of a honeycomb. Like the cells of a honeycomb. Count its sides as your fingers go click. Count its sides as your fingers go click. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 sides. Come on, everybody should sing along with the celebration is over. Shiva, look at me. Look at me. No, please stay on mute. Everybody. Lekshita, yes, please stay on mute. Then others can't hear my voice. Please stay on mute. Okay? So everybody can sing with ma'am. Open your mouth, do actions and sing. 6 sides of a hexagon. 6 sides of a hexagon, like the cells of a honeycomb. Like the cells of a honeycomb. Count its sides as your fingers go click. Count its sides as your fingers go click. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So, what we are going to do today is, I'm going to show you 2 things. You are going to tell me which is hexagon. Okay. I'm going to call out the name. Okay. Varnika, is this hexagon, Varnika? Varnika alone, unmute. Varnika, is this hexagon? Is this hexagon? Are you able to see? You have not unmuted. Can you please unmute? Yes. Is this hexagon? No. Why? Why?
Teacher, 5.
Very good, Varnika. Give a big round of clap for Varnika. That's perfect. It has only 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 sides. So this is pentagon. Pentagon. Yes. Thank you so much, Varnika. Okay. Next, Arjun.
Yes, ma'am.
Arjun, is this hexagon?
No. Yes.
Why? Why no?
6.
Count the sides. Count the sides and tell me. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4, 5, 6.
Six.
How many sides is in this shape?
Six.
6 means what shape? 6 sides means what shape?
President.
Hexagon. So is this hexagon or not?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. So this has 6 sides. It is hexagon. Okay. So if it has 5 sides, it is pentagon. If it has 6 sides, it is hexagon. Okay. Now I am going to call Kumaraguruparan. Kumaraguruparan, use this hexagon. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This has how many sides? 5 sides. So 5 sides is hexagon. Is it hexagon? No. What shape is this? Very good. This is pentagon. Give a big round of clap for Kumaragu. Very good. Okay. Next time moving on to UN side. UN side, please unmute. What shape is this UN side? What shape is this?
Hexagon.
Is it hexagon? Shall we count and check? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is this hexagon?
No.
Yes or no?
Yes.
No, you shouldn't ask anybody. You should look only at ma'am and say yes or no.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So that is what we are going to do today. Okay. So now quickly we'll do the worksheet. Please take the worksheet. Worksheet 36, day 36, MTWS01. I'll show the worksheet now. Give me a minute. Grab your pencil. Worksheet. We're going to quickly do. Okay. I think you'll be able to see my screen now. Are you able to see my screen? Yes? Yes, okay. Can you please take the worksheet? This is the worksheet I'm showing you, no? Sai Charan, Lakshita S, please take this worksheet. I repeat, it's day 36 MTWS01 worksheet. Day 36 MT, maths worksheet. Yes, perfect. That's Shiva. What about Sai Charan? Kumaragurban, until I call your name, please don't unmute Kumaragurban. Then others can't hear me. Please stay on mute. I'll call your name. Then please unmute and answer me. Otherwise, stay on mute. Okay. Gautam Rishi, what you're going to do is you're going to draw shape with me. Okay. You're going to take your rough note, take your pencil. You're going to draw the shape I'm showing you along with me. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Arjun, where is your worksheet? Take out your pencil, worksheet. Lakshita, did you find out the worksheet? Lakshita is? Did you find out? Yes, very good. Okay, children, write your name, put today's date. Now we are in what month? You know what month we are in? Can somebody tell me the months, list of months? January, February, who knows?
August.
Yes, we are in August. Very good, Adya. Very good, Ritvik. Yes, very good.
Taking the correct.
You can color it later. First, we'll trace it. Okay, we'll match it. You can color it later, children. Okay, after the class. Sai Charan, first listen to me, Sai Charan. Then only you will understand. I'm telling you, you can color it later. You first trace it. Okay.
Ma'am, I take the right page.
Yes, I told you. Yes, I already said. You will have, see, you will have like this hexagon, triangle, that page. Check if you're.
I'm sure that page, ma'am.
I'm showing the page. Who is asking me? Let me see who is asking me so that I'll see if they have taken it correctly. Kumaragavan, I'm showing the page, Kumaragavan. Okay. I'm just showing it. Just see the screen. You will see the page I'm showing. Okay, please mark today's date 3/8/2020 and write your name. Wrote everyone?
Ma'am,
Okay.
this page, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, lady.
this page.
Can't hear me then. So
Ma'am,
everybody,
this page. This page on, ma'am.
show me Lakshita. I'm able to see only your face, dear. Show me the worksheet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Yes, children. So quickly we are going to trace it. Okay. So find hexagon. See 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So find out hexagon. I found out. Okay. The first one. Okay. I'm going to ask Lakshraj. Lakshraj, did you find hexagon in the first picture?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, can you just trace it now? We can color that later. Please listen to my instruction. We'll first find out and trace it. We can color it later. Okay, I'm going to grab the same pink color and I'm going to
Blue,
trace it.
ma'am. Blue, ma'am.
No, the one is in pink color, right? So I'm just taking the same color. Okay. So first,
Yeah, triangle is the white.
okay. Okay, so now I trace it.
It's blue.
Okay, you can do it with blue, no problem. Okay. Next, I'm going to call upon. Done, everyone. The first shape. Did you all find out and traced it? Next, I'm going to call upon Grithvik. Grithvik, did you find the triangle, matching triangle?
Yeah, ma'am.
This
Three.
one? This one?
Three.
This one?
No.
This one?
Yes.
Yes, okay. I'm going to trace it. You also trace it there, okay? So I'm
Yeah.
going to grab the blue color. I'm going to trace this triangle. Quickly we'll do.
Yeah.
I know my children are very fast. Very good, Grithvik. Thank you for helping me. Next, I'm going to move on to Sai Charan. Are you with me, Sai Charan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sai Charan. What shape is this? You have it in the worksheet. Sorry? What shape is that? Don't ask your mom. You should tell me. What shape is that? Show me a notebook. Show me a notebook.
I don't have any hexagon.
I think you have taken your homework worksheet. Can you just, I think you have square, right? The same correct one only you're having. I'm asking the third question. You didn't listen to me. What ma'am is talking? You didn't listen to me.
No,
Very
ma'am.
bad. Very bad, Sai Charan. I'm showing. You should listen to me, right? I'm asking what shape is this? What shape is that? Look at your notebook and tell me.
Triangle.
No, I finished triangle already. We have moved. Yes, square. So is this square?
No.
Is this square?
No.
Okay, then is the next one square?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to trace it. Sai Charan, even if you're finished, you should check if ma'am is doing it right. Okay, you should not sit like that. Very bad, Sai Charan. You're a good boy.
Trace பண்ணு.
So what you should do? Check. Okay. Okay. Next time, moving on to Adya. Adya, what is this shape, Adya? Pentagon. Is this pentagon?
No.
Is this pentagon?
No.
Is this pentagon?
Yes.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pentagon. Yes. Perfect. Okay. So I'm going to grab green color. I'm going to trace the pentagon and I'm going to color it later on. Done, everyone? Yes. Everybody traced it. Is anybody have not done?
Pentagon.
Done, everyone? Show me thumbs up if you have done. Yes. Thank you, Kritvik. Thank you, Shravan. Thank you, Laksha. Thank you, Adya. Thank you, Shiva. Thank you, Varnika. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. So quickly, we're going to do an activity. Okay, you're going to jump, turn around, and then jump. Okay. Please keep the worksheet down. Quickly stand up, stand up. We didn't do the morning activity itself, right? And we didn't mark our attendance also today because we had done with the celebration. Okay, we'll quickly mark that too. Okay, I'm going to stop sharing. Ready, children? Keep your worksheets down. Pencils down. Come on, Kumaragurupan, stand up. Everybody has stood up. Stand up. Okay, ready? When I say start.
செகண்ட் டிவிஷன் போய் வேற மாதிரி ஒர்க் பண்ணலாம் அந்த கிரியேட்டிவிட்டி கொடுத்தா நம்ம பார்த்து வச்சுக்கலாம் அந்த சஜஷன் ஆனால் ஆக்ஷன்
Okay, I'm back. Okay, ready? I'm going to say 1, 2. I'll check if I have my whistle. If I have, I'll just whistle. Yes, I got my whistle. Okay. Once you hear the whistle sound, you have to jump once, turn round twice, jump once, and then sit down. That's it. Ready? Everybody understood? You have to jump once, turn around twice, jump once, and then sit down. Ready, children? Understood? Yes. Okay, please don't unmute. Kumaraguruparan, please. Okay. You can show me thumbs up if you're ready. I will understand. Okay. So if you unmute, no, everybody keeps on talking. My internet will go slow. And then none of you can hear me. Okay. Get set. First, jump once. Turn around twice. Jump once. Jump once. Jump. One lift, 2 times I asked it. Sit down. Sit down. Come quickly. Sit down. Come quickly. Sit down. Very good, Aravakshar. Shiva and Gautam, I asked you to turn around only twice, right? You will feel dizzy. Don't turn around. Keep on turning around. Okay, Lisha, come back to your place. Dayanand, good Dayanand, come back to your place. Good. Okay. So, okay. What we are going to learn today new is, we are going to learn, okay, everybody complete that worksheet, right? Tracing. Okay, keep it aside. Sit. And you're not going to write now anything. Okay, sit. Okay, we are going to learn germination. What we are going to learn? Open your mouth and say. Please stand and say germination.
Germination.
Okay, so what do you mean by germination is? Last week we learned about plants, right? We learned about. Yes, children. Please don't unmute, children. You can say it, but don't unmute. Okay, if you keep on, everybody keeps on unmuting, then you will not be able to hear what ma'am is talking. Okay. So I'll show you the screen. So last week we learned about plants. So in plants, what did we learn? What are the parts of the plant we learned, and how plants make food we learned. Plants make food using, I am going to ask Arif. Can you tell me how plants make food? Let's recall. What do plants need to make food?
Soil,
Hmm.
sunlight,
Hmm.
water,
Very good. Very good. Yes. 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 Akshat. You see my whistle?
soil, air, soil,
Hmm.
sunlight, water.
Very good. Yes, plants need all this to grow, and plants. Thank you so much, Aravakshat. Plants use water, air, and sunlight, and they get food. So the plants grow. Okay, Kavin, can you please turn here and look at the class? Look at me. Yes. So plants grow. How do plants grow? What plants need to grow? We learned. Okay, and how do plants grow? Okay, I'm going to show you one thing. So I heard from Aravakshat, they planted seeds with their grandparents. So what I want all you to do today is, I'll show you. This is green dal. Okay, ask your parents to soak green dal in water. I soaked it yesterday to show you, and then drain the water. And if you keep, see the small, the plant has come. Are you able to see? If you are able to see, show me thumbs up. I'm just showing you. I don't know if you can see me clearly. Are you able to see? See, the small sprouts have come. Yes, Grithvik is able to see. He showed me. What about others? See. So what I want you all to do is ask your parents to soak this green dal in water, drain the water, and then after a day. So if you are doing it today, tomorrow evening or on Wednesday, you will see the small sprout coming out of the seed. Are you able to see small sprout? Okay. So this is how the plants will grow. If you put this in the soil, it will grow small. See, you see the difference? I'll show both. This is a plain one. Okay, it doesn't have anything. This has a small sprout. See, small one. You able to see? Yes. So do this and check. Okay, this is how the plants will grow with a small sprout and then a small root, then leaf. Okay, I'm going to show you the picture of that so that we'll see now. Okay, just opening it. I didn't share my screen yet. Please wait. I'll share. Okay. Okay. So, ready, children? Ready to see how plants will grow? Kumaraguru, if you possible, can you please stay on mute, Kumaraguru Paran? Okay, see the first step. This is how. See the soil. This is everybody is able to see my screen. Okay, this is soil. Okay, the seed is inside the soil. There is sunlight here. So what happens in the next picture? The seed is in the soil. So this is seed. Okay, we are putting the seed in the soil. We are giving water. We are giving sunlight. We are giving air. So what happens in the second step? Number 2. See number 2. What happens? Small sprout. I showed you, the small sprout. This comes out. Small sprout. Okay. Then you get, see, roots. This will climb up and come down, and then you'll get a small leaf. Then it grows to a big plant. And then from plant, we will get flowers, vegetables, and fruits. Okay. The The step by which the small seed grows to a big plant is called germination. Open your mouth, everybody, and say germination. Can you all open your mouth? Let me see. Come on, Lisha. Very good. Nivin, open your mouth and say germination. Small seed growing to a big plant is called germination. I'm going to show the picture again. First step, what we'll do? We'll put the seed in the soil. This brown color is soil. This is sun. Okay? We have to pour water and the air is everywhere. So first step, we are putting the seed in the soil. Second step, what happens? Small sprout. I showed you the small sprout. This one. The white color. Small one, white color. It will come out. And then you will have roots. Roots in the soil, and the seed will come out of the soil. Seed is coming out of the brown line. It is growing small, it is growing. And then it will get leaves. See here. The roots here in the soil, above the soil, above the sand, we get leaves, and then you will get flowers, and from flowers you will get vegetables and fruits. This is called germination. What this is called? Germination. Okay. We have a worksheet. Here with the same thing. See, first small seed. Okay, you put in the soil. You'll get a small sprout like this. Okay, sapling. This is called sapling. And then you'll get leaves and then flowers. And then at the bottom you'll have roots. Okay, the same thing you're going to see and draw down. Okay, this you can do it as a homework. You have the picture, right? So first step is small seed. Second step, okay, Satvik is going to say with me. Satvik, can you please unmute, Satvik? You're going to say along with me. Yes, the same worksheet, Shiva's mom. Yes. Satvik, you're going to say with me. Okay, look at the screen. Seed, sapling, root, leaves,
This is our homework.
root, leaves and flowers. Satvik, I can't hear you. Did you say it loud and clear? Seed, sapling, okay, root, leaves, root again, and then leaves and flowers. Okay, so first step is seed, okay, and then only sapling. Okay, will you all do this and draw at home and show me? Yes? Okay. Next, I'm going to call Kavin. Kavin, I'm going to show you a letter. You're going to guess and tell me what it is. Okay, Kavin? Okay. Ready? Ready? Okay. We are going to write cursive next, okay?
Okay.
What is this letter, Kavin? L, perfect. Did you all learn to write L? We wrote on Friday. Did you all try to write L? Anybody had a difficulty in writing L? Let me know. Okay. Most of you have written. Yes. Yuvansai, please take it out of your mouth. Yuvansai, please. Please. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes. That's right, Kavin. Very good. Okay. Next time. So today we are going to write M. We are going to write M. M for monkey. M for mouse. M for Mike. M for mother. Mother. Okay. I'll show you some words with M. Then we'll write M. M is very easy. Okay. M. Sound. Okay. I'm going to call upon Lakshita ji. What is this? Lakshita ji, what is this?
Yum.
Yum. What is this? I'm showing a picture. No, what is this? Yellow color.
Mango.
Very good. Mango. Dayanand, what is this? Brown color. Monkey, very good, Dayanand. Okay. Phone call. Give me a minute. I forgot the name. Okay. Yes. Next is I'm going to call. Saichan, what? Who is this? Man, very good. Okay. Next, I'm going to call. Who is in my list? Next list. Okay. Oh my. Lisha, who is? What is this, Lisha? Lisha, what is this? Moon. Lisha, are you there? I can't hear you, Lisha. Okay. Moon. Lisha, what is that? Moon. Okay, moon. Okay. Then I'm going to call Arjun. Arjun, what is this, Arjun? Arjun, please unmute. What is that I'm showing you?
Mouse.
Mouse, very good. Okay, next I'm going to call Shiva. What is this? You will have it on your face. You will cover your face with that. What is that?
Mask.
Mask, very good, Shiva. Yes, mask, very good. Next I'm going to call Nivin Surya. What is the last one? Mother. Mother, very good. Yes, very good, Nivin Surya. Mother. Okay, so please take this worksheet, children. Meanwhile, this M worksheet, we are going to do M worksheet today. I think you will have it under day 35. Please check and let me know. I don't have the worksheet with me. Just let me know if you have the day 35 M worksheet. Shravan, can you give me one word with M, Shravan? M.
Mouth.
Mouth, very good, Shravan. Jai Krish, can you give me some words with M?
Mango.
Mango, something else.
Marigold.
Marigold.
You said marigold?
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. You know the marigold flower. Very good. Yes, Lekshita, can you say one more word with M? One more. M. Mother, monkey, mango, mouth. Yes, mama. All you can. Mountain, very good. Then mountain, magic, magic. Mouse, mouth, mice, all. Very good. Okay, Gautam Rishi, can you give me some word with M? Match. Map. Very good. You watch Dora?
Do you watch Dora?
No, I don't like to watch.
You don't like Okay. I say, I'll ask you. When your chance comes, you can answer me. Thank you, Gautam Rishi and Sai Charan. Yes, Nikita Shi, can you give me some word with M?
Mat.
Mat. Very good. Lakshrat, can you give me some word with M?
Mercury.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Mercury. Mercury.
Mercury, you give me a planet name. So nice to hear that. Yes. Varnika, can you give me some word with M? Marshmallow. Okay. March, Monday. Everything starts with M. So we're going to write that M now quickly and then we are going to end. Okay. So here we go. Okay. So here I have N. So how do we write M is, we're going to start from this line, go back, slanting line, touch the red line, come back, M. Same as normal M. Okay, how do we write capital M? Similar way, just that you have to write a slanting line. I'll show you the picture. Give me a minute. Okay. So this is, are you able to see my screen? This is capital M and small m, the normal M, right? So the cursive one is here like this. So you're going to start from second blue line, touch the red line, come back, touch this blue line, go up, slanting line. Just that it's a slanting line. Okay. So here we have few more: mittens, mug, mirror, mushroom, man. All those are starting with M. Okay, so I'm going to write M here. You can take your slate, or if you want to directly write in the worksheet, you can write in a worksheet. Okay. So children, one more thing. Just before we wind up, I want to say one thing. See, we are practicing in the slate, right? Those letters, whenever you have time, like you have holidays, 2-3 days holidays, you can complete that in the worksheet. Okay, if ma'am is not giving as a homework, you can complete them whenever you are free. You can trace the letters in the worksheet and complete it. Okay, for practice, we will do it in the slate. Okay, but the worksheet, whenever you have time, you can complete it, or when we have any free time, we'll complete in the class too. Okay. So today we are going to write M, mirror, monkey, mouse. Okay, so I'm going to go back here, slanting line, come down, touch the line, and then M. M. I'll write again slowly. From this blue line, slanting line first, and then slanting line come down, go back. M. This is capital M. How do you write small m? This is little tricky. So first you write a slanting line, put 1. Okay, everybody write along with me in the slate or the worksheet. Small m is alone tricky, so please write along with me. Slanting line, go up, put 1, and then you should put 2 mountains here. M. See, I'll show you the picture here clearly. Not here. See, slanting line, and then 1, and then 2 mountains, and then a curve like this. So you want to write along with me. Slanting line, 1, on the same line trace back. On the same line trace back. 1 mountain, 2 mountain, M. First step, slanting line. Okay. Then 1. Trace on the same one. Mountain, 1 more mountain, like this. M. M. Are you all writing? I'm coming to see you all. Are you all writing in a slate or in the worksheet? Yes. Yes, Saravaksha is writing in the worksheet directly. Okay. Arjun, are you writing, Arjun? Are you writing the slate or in the worksheet? Okay, I think Lakshita, Nikita Shri. Okay. Good, Nikita. Yes. Okay, practice small m. Correct. Slanting line. Very good, Nikita. Okay, what about Kavin? Are you writing, Kavin? Yes, Ritvik. Good, Ritvik. It looks perfect. For those, yes, who is showing me? Yes, Shiva, good Shiva. Yes, Jai Krish, you're showing me. M. Shiva, you can write it in the worksheet later, okay? Yes, you wrote finish, Jai Krish, so fast. Very nice, Jai Krish. Looks perfect. Lakshraj, come on. What about Dayanand? Dayanand, are you writing? What about Adya? Very nice, Adya. I can see in the slate. Very nice. Yes, slanting line. 1. Yes, correct. What about Gautam, Rishi? Are you writing in the rough note? M. Lisha. Lisha is so happy. Nice, Lisha. Okay, you are writing in the worksheet. Okay. What about Yuvansai? Yeah, Yuvansai. Can you just lift it and show me? Very nice, Yuvansai. Perfect, M. You have written more than ma'am. You have written it nicely, M. Good. You good, Yuvansai. Don't lick the slate. Don't lick the slate, Yuvansai. Okay, Kumara Guruparan. Say, while writing itself, you should say M. M. Kumara Guruparan, can I see yours? Can I see? Can you show me? Can you show me what you have written? Okay, you're writing. Okay, very good. Try small m. Try small m. Kavin is writing. I'll come back to Kavin later. Okay, what about Gautam? Can you show me, Gautam Rishi? What have you written so far? Can you show me? Very nice. Small m looks perfect. Good. Good, Gautam Rishi. You got so many pictures in your new book. Okay, Shravan. Can I see your Shravan? Yes. Okay. Hi, Nivin Surya. Can I see you? What you have written, Nivin Surya? Very good. Small m looks perfect, Nivin Surya. Good job. Satvik, can I see yours? M.
I finished the
You finished. Wow. You're so fast in writing, Satvik. Good job. Write small m, okay? Good. Shiva, I saw. Varnika, what about you, Varnika? Can I see yours, Varnika? You wrote in the slate. Perfect. Very good, Varnika. Varnika, you're not well. Why are you sad today? You're not so happy face. Why? What happened? You're not feeling well?
That's why I said.
I can't hear.
One more time.
Slowly. Slowly. Tell me.
I asked him pain. That's all I said.
Okay.
His eyes are paining now.
Oh, that's why you're dull. What happened? Sleep properly and take rest, okay? Don't watch TV. Okay? Get well tomorrow. Okay. See you tomorrow with a happy face. Okay, Varnika? Okay, Grithvik, I saw Grithvik. It was nice. Very nice, Grithvik. Show me thumbs up, Grithvik. Kavin, where are you? Kavin is searching for you throughout the class. Kavin, where are you? Please come to your place. Show me yours, Kavin. What have you written in the worksheet? Show me. Okay, try small m. Action, can I see?
I writing capital M.
Yeah, I saw that. You try small m, I'm saying. I said capital M, write slowly, Saicharan. You should come and touch the blue line. Capital M has not touched the blue line. See, ma'am is writing. Look at me. See, slanting line, go up, come touch the blue line, right? Have you touched the blue line? I don't think so. What you're showing me
Can't
doesn't.
see your screen, ma'am.
Huh?
I can't see your screen first.
No, not now. I showed you that time, right? You should touch the blue line. See, the worksheet is not like that. I'll show you. See, I'm going to share it now again. Let me show you again. Wait, give me a minute. See, so I can look at my screen now. Are you able to see now?
Yes.
See, from blue line, you're slanting line. You're touching the red line, right? Come back, touch this blue line. Yours is like halfway like this, it's written. Sorry. What you have written is like halfway like this. Am I right or not? This is not right. Okay, touch the blue line and write. Okay, Sai Charan?
Okay, we'll erase it and write.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, Lakshita ji. Arav Akshat, very good. Okay, so that's all we have for class today. Had a wonderful time in the Raksha Bandhan celebration today. Thank you so much for showing your siblings, your family members, introducing them. Hope you all had a nice time. Any questions or doubts, you can stay back. Otherwise, the class is over for today. Okay. So quick recap before we wind up. We learned about hexagon, pentagon shapes today. We recalled 5 sides pentagon, 6 sides hexagon. Then we learned germination. How small